If you have a Ram truck, chances are it either has the factory LED taillights or the factory halogen here. Many people that have trucks that came with the halogen lights opt to upgrade to the LEDs. This can be done using a simple plug and play harness, which I'm about to show you. Trucks from '09 to 2019 have come with these lights factory, and it's kind of a shame. This harness makes it simple to upgrade and easy. I'm going to show you the wiring procedure and everything involved. Alright, so we have the two taillights here, and just to clarify, this is the halogen version of the Ram taillight. These are found in 2012 to 2019 trucks. And here we have the Ram LED version. Now this is a chrome trim taillight. These also come in a black trim. I'm just showing the chrome trim for demonstration, but the wiring is the exact same. So keep that in mind. If your truck came with these guys from factory and you're looking to upgrade to these guys, you'll need an adapter harness, and that is shown right here. Now this adapter harness is plug and play, but there is one condition. You need to have the factory wiring that is on the back of this taillight. As you can see from this taillight here, it is missing the factory wiring. The factory wiring plugs in here. It also has a adapter for the reverse bulb that plugs in here. And it will have a output plug that sticks out here. Okay? That output plug will plug into the adapter if you have it. As you can see, this taillight does not have that adapter. This wiring harness cannot be purchased separate from the taillight. Okay, so if you bought these taillights used from somebody that decided to keep the harness, you cannot go to Dodge and buy this harness. They won't sell it to you. There's no part number for it. You have to buy a new taillight. Now luckily we do offer this harness. This is a separate piece though. This is not part of the conversion. This is the OEM wiring for the back of the taillight. So keep that in mind. If your taillights do not have this wiring on the back, you can purchase it from us, but it is separate from the conversion harness, which is shown here. Okay, so we're going to install the factory wiring in the back of the taillight first, just to show you guys. And we'll line up the clip, turn it, and lock it. Okay, that's done. Now, obviously, you'd put your reverse bulb in there too if you have an LED bulb. You can use that, or if you want to just use the halogen, you can do that as well. This proprietary connector will go into the back of the taillight here, and it'll just plug right in, slip and clip. That's done, okay. And now we have this adapter piece. This wiring is kind of stiff, but it is supposed to go, I'm missing the clip on this taillight, but it's supposed to slip on here, and there's a safety clip that goes in here and holds it in place, okay? And then that's ready to go. So now that we have the wiring that is missing from this taillight installed, we can go ahead and install the adapter, okay? So the adapter basically will plug into this plug here, and I'm just gonna remove this here so we could show you a little better, okay? So the adapter, this guy here, is gonna go to this plug, and you're gonna see a red safety clip here. Just make sure it's pulled out a little bit. Plug it in place, you can hear a click. Safety adapter clicks in and closes and holds it in place. That's done. Okay, and now we're gonna plug this to our reverse plug coming from the truck, and this guy to the main plug coming from the truck. Both of these plugs will be on the truck side when you remove your factory halogen taillights. Okay, so these are the only two connections you need to make at the truck. And then that completes the install. I will link both parts in the product description below. Okay, so the adapter conversion is separate, and the OEM wiring here, if you don't have it, will also be required. So both of these parts will be linked in the product description below. If you have any questions, just let us know and we'll be happy to help you out.